Hey, what's going on, guys? Ryan DePaul here. So in this video, what we'll be going over is how to cut your budget down for online marketing down to less than $100, if not zero. So I'm going to be showing you this great platform that I found that is helping people do this, not only market their business, many other businesses too, but create an online presence that is almost matched to none out there. You get everything. You can actually do everything that you will find or will pay a lot of money. I know people who pay from $1,000 to $5,000 to marketing agencies to build their online presence so that they can actually market their business properly. And they've still never got the results that they wanted. So I'm going to show you guys what it all is entailed, what it takes, all the features that you'll get, the essential features that you need to do so with marketing online and building your brand or building a business online. So with that, we're going to dive right into it, and here we go. So the company that I should say the platform that I've been using is called Nowsite Marketing, and the company's called Nowsite. So we're going to talk about pricing. We're going to talk about the features that it's included and what you get with all this stuff. So feature-wise, what you need, what you get with this is basically how it works. I can go into the video, but I won't do that. This is a little video right here, but I'm going to go over all the features that's included on this platform that you need to be successful and efficient with your online marketing. So, websites. We all know we have websites. I know you can go to GoDaddy, you can go to Wix to create a website. This, you actually get unlimited websites and landing pages and capture pages that you can create, or that it will create for you. So it's up to you what you want to do. But you get unlimited. You can actually create sales funnels, marketing funnels. Sky's the limits. I've seen some pretty extensive sales funnels and marketing funnels in this platform that's created. I've created a few myself. Excuse me. And it's been amazing. It's so simple to do so, and it's been actually pretty fun too. It's been testing that out for some time. I got some created some stuff that actually has converted for leads into sales, and without me doing anything. So it's pretty nice. But like I said, it's all about what you put into it. So I mean, you can go into depth with it, or you can actually just do what the platform gives you, and nothing wrong. All of it works. So websites, yes, you can create unlimited websites, custom built websites, make changes, whatever you want to do on the fly. So this platform does have online ads that is available. That is an additional fee, but they do include retargeting ads in all of this. So you actually have a retargeting ad that's attached to your websites, and we all know what retargeting is. If you don't, we'll go over that another time, but you can also Google that too as well. Retargeting is big, so you probably experienced it through shopping online or something like that. It also creates a blog for you. You can actually have a daily blog, you have a weekly blog, but however you want it, you can have a blog that this will create for you, and you can send it to your customers, your clients, whoever, your email list, wherever there is that you want to send it to keep your business top of mind for and actually increase your SEO and other stuff like that we're about to dive into as well. So your blog, that's a pretty important thing. It's huge when it comes to marketing online because there's so much more that goes into it. I won't go into all the technical stuff about it, but it's a big asset to what you want to use to build your online presence. All right, SEO. So SEO, search engine optimization. So this is amazing too because they have an algorithm that actually helps with that when it comes to build your SEO. SEO is key when it comes to getting your business in front of a lot of eyes. Google. So if you Google a business, or maybe you Google how to online marketing, things pop up first. Companies pop up first. Whether it's ads, whether it's videos, whether it's like websites or what is it? Articles, blogs. See, everything comes full circle. It pops up, and that business will show there for you, so you can click on and pique your interest, and that's important because now you want to be top of mind. You want to be on that front page of Google or Yahoo or whatever it is. That's extremely important when it comes to your business and being successful with your brand online when it comes to online marketing. So SEO. So this platform also includes that, does it for you. Social marketing, huge right now in online marketing is social marketing. You know, you got Facebook, you got LinkedIn, you got Twitter, you got TikTok, you got Instagram. The list goes on and on. Those are social media networks, and this actually takes advantage of that, is by marketing to all those. Now, these are some of the features that you get, and they're constantly adding more on here. There's some things that they're adding this month that isn't going that's not on this list right here, but I'm going to go over those too. But social marketing is huge. So this is actually kind of a double whammy. This is social marketing, but it also gives you unlimited content, whether it's video, whether it's articles, whether it's images, motivational, inspirational. Sky's the limit. I'll be doing a individual video on that alone, because that's so massive and so important and key, and helps you with that one too. So I actually do love that feature a lot, and I think it's slept on a lot, but it's a big important feature because, you know, it takes a lot of the time wasting and the work out of figuring out what kind of content you need to create. This actually does it for you, and it actually helps you post on multiple platforms at once. So huge advantage on this one. That alone, if you go somewhere, you try to get somebody to do that for you, that will cost you buku bucks, guys. I'm telling you right now, that alone will cost you probably a good $1,000 to $1,000 a month just for content. You gotta think. You got people like Gary V has a whole division to help him with his content to create stuff. He said, you know, content is king. So you gotta understand that this is huge. So the fact that they give you all this included with the platform is a huge plus and a huge money saver and time saver. All right, next one is email marketing. Email marketing is, we've all done email marketing. We've all experienced email marketing, whether it's you're purchasing something, whether it's you got some information, education. If you received an email for something that you opt into, that's email marketing. So you get an email from a company that says, hey, this X, Y, and Z, you opt into this, and here's our promotion, our sale, or whatever it may be. That is email marketing. What's nice about this, that you can actually create up to a 90-day email campaign for this, for any business, and actually have an email marketing drip campaign that will help keep your business top of mind. That's huge, because you're basically following up without contacting people every day yourself. This is automated. This is all automated and done for you. That's the biggest thing about that, is that this is done for you. Let's scroll down, and we got some other stuff. So after the email marketing, what we got is CRM. CRM is customer relation management. And with that, what you get is actually, that's pretty cool, because you actually get a lot of stuff on that one. You get to be able to manage your teams, chat with people. It goes on and on. There's a lot to it. So as it says, you can manage your prospects, customers, and teammates in their simple, intuitive, fully integrated system. Lovely. Couldn't say it better myself. And then you have analytics. Analytics are huge, and they're actually on Google Analytics. So you know that it's just trusted name. It's something that has been proven and worked. The analytics, because you need to know what kind of data you're getting and what kind of results you're getting, and it's from the data of what's working and what's not working. So this is huge, and a huge key factor, because a lot of companies wouldn't even share that with you if when they're trying to basically be your agency for them. So you actually know what works, what doesn't work. Detailed analytics from demographic, from whether it's a male, female, age range, what device they're doing it on, what device they're looking at it on, platform, social media, all things like that. So this is a nice feature to have, and it's actually an essential feature to have, because otherwise you're just basically throwing money in the wind and hoping that something works and going from that. But this, you actually can see what works and what is good overall. So yeah, that's a lot. And you're probably thinking, hey, well, this is a lot and it could be overwhelming. I don't have all the time to do this one. That's why I pay other people to do this. That's the best thing about this, is that this whole system, everything I went over, is done by artificial intelligence. It's done for you. It's your marketing is done pretty much. It creates everything. I would do a demonstration of what it does. It literally creates everything for you. Or you can go in there and manually create stuff too. If you're more of a diving into something and getting your hands in there, you can do either or. So that's what's nice about this platform. So I think those are all the features. Something that they actually are adding this month of November 2020 is SMS Marketing. You'll be able to have access to that one. They had a promotion. If you missed out on it, if you didn't see one of my videos before, you got this included with it. This platform, SMS Marketing, for free if you signed up before the 15th. But today is November 16th, so that deal has passed. But you still will have access, be able to access SMS Marketing for an additional fee. It's actually pretty. I think you can add it on there for $10 a month. Pretty nice. I think I'm super excited about that one because I actually was able to test it out and see how it works. Love it. I'm pretty sure most people have experienced SMS marketing, especially with this election that has passed. I got a lot of messages from different parties, whether it was Republican or Democrat. I got a lot of, or just about different bills and laws that was coming in. I got a lot of text messages from people I didn't know, just a SMS marketing platform that was texting me. So I've experienced it. I know the power of it because I would say the open rate of a text message is 99% open rate compared to email. People still open their emails, but this is more, you get a higher open rate for text message. I mean, and people don't just ignore the text messages unless you're mad at your spouse or mad at your significant other, whatever, or you're just leaving somebody on red. Anyway, so with that, those are the features, and there's a lot more you can do into it. But for the platform for Nowsite Marketing, these are the main features. Now we're going to go into pricing. Pricing is actually, you won't believe what this is because you would think of all that. This has to be at least $200, $300, right? $500, whatever. I mean, an agency will charge you for all that from a month on a low end, $1,000, high end, $5,000. I've seen people get charged, $7,000. I've talked to multiple business owners and they, hey, I'm paying $5,000 for them to do all this. I'm still not getting the results I want. That will really upset me. So I'm going to show you guys the pricing of Nowsite Marketing. So they have 3 subscriptions. It's a monthly subscription. There is no contract. That's the lovely thing about that one. You can actually cancel at any time. And so there's 3 plans. There's the entrepreneur, small business, and marketing agency. Entrepreneur plan is lovely because it's you get 3 artificial intelligence marketing campaigns. Basically, you can pick 3 businesses that you want to market. Whether it's your brand, whether it's your own personal small business, whether it's a network marketing business, whatever you want to do. It can be whatever you want, and it'll create stuff for you and generate the everything I went over already for you. Unlimited websites, it's key. You can't go nowhere and get unlimited websites for this price. I mean, heck, I tried GoDaddy before and I actually paid like about $50 for a website and for them to optimize everything. And I had to go in there and create it myself. You get 10,000 marketing emails. That's with that email marketing thing. Unlimited social media marketing. This is huge. Unlimited social media marketing. Content is king, guys. Don't want to sleep on that one. That's important. Search engine optimization. That's the SEO. File sharing and analytics. I forgot about that one too. Also another sweet thing right there. They're file sharing and analytics. File sharing alone is this. Imagine Dropbox, but you get that included with this platform. Yes, you can actually add pits, and it's a pretty good storage. I mean, Dropbox is like they charge you for a certain amount. You get like a 2 gigs or something like that for free, or 2 megabytes for free. I'm not sure, but then you have to pay more. This you can put as much stuff in there as you want to. It's crazy. I don't think there's a cap on it right now. Retargeting ads up to 250 website visitors, right there. So that's the lowest price. Highest price is $327. This is for people who actually want to try to be a marketing agency, and but don't want to do all the effort on it. You can actually allow this platform to do it for you, and it's amazing. So for $327, you can actually get 10 AI marketing campaigns for you can basically market 10 different businesses, and you can actually charge it. I'm not gonna say do it, but you can actually charge people for doing it to do it for them, and have the platform do it for you while they're paying you to do it for them. Amazing, right? So because you get 100,000 marketing emails, unlimited websites, and pretty much the same thing. Just the numbers go up a little bit. Retargeting ads, you get 1,000 website visitors, and then you have the small business plan. The small business plan is nice. It's like a little bit in between. I actually upgraded to this one. I had the entrepreneur. I upgraded to this one because I said I'm gonna try it out because I wanted some more email marketing features, and it was completely worth it, guys. But I'm gonna tell you this: if you're interested, I won't go into detail about this one. You can actually get all this for free. If you are interested, comment below. Contact me on my cell phone, or my number. It'll be in the description below as well, and I'll tell you more information on how you can get all this for free if you're interested. So like I said, remember I said for low as $87 or even free. Yeah, that's the free part. But we'll get more. That'll be another time. Just go ahead and contact me if you want more information about that. That's amazing right there. But for me, I'm doing a small business plan. I've been doing it and rocking with this for some time. I love it. Also too, what's nice about this is that if you ever get stuck, they have live chat support. And what I mean by live chat support, not just a little chat. They have chat, but they also have live video support too. So you can actually have a live person and talk to them and show them what you're having problems with or what you need help with, and they'll help you during the hours operation. Zoom. So it's amazing, guys. So so you get all this included for either $87, $167, or $327. Your choice. Most people start with the $87 because it just makes sense to test it out and get it going. And until you figure out that you need to bump it up or not, it's up to you. Most people do stay with the $87 because they see enough value with that one. I do know some people who have bumped up, like myself, or even the marketing agency. It's completely up to you. Like I said, there is no contracts. You don't get locked in. You can cancel at any time. Simple. So if you're not getting value from it, but trust me, you're going to get value from it with all this. This is amazing, guys. I mean, there's nothing else out there like it. This is one of a kind. One of the most what's the word I'm looking for? I just want to keep it as amazing. Innovative. There you go. Most innovative software platform out there that I've used to market your business. That includes all this stuff like that. Otherwise, you'll be piecing these things together and still paying a lot of money for different programs and platforms and piecing things together. But this, you have everything all in one. It's done for you, powered by AI, and that's Nowsite Marketing. So if you have any concerns or questions about what you've seen here or what you hear about here, please put them in the chat below or contact me. Call me. Please don't be afraid. That's my direct line. Don't be afraid to use it. If you have questions about Nowsite Marketing or their other platform, Nowsite Life. But once again, guys, I hope you got some value from this. Also, one more thing. If this is your first time checking out my video, or if you just happen to run across my channel, do me a favor. Go ahead and hit that big red button below, that subscribe button, and right next to it is that little bell. Click that bell, because anytime I put out any new content, YouTube will send you a notification saying, hey, Ryan DePaul just put a new video out, and you might want to check it out because you like the last one. So with that, guys, I'm going to end this video. Like I said, I hope you got some value from this one. If you did, give me some likes, give me some love. Share this out with some people that you think that can benefit from this one. And yeah, guys, until the next one, take care, be safe, and be blessed.